It's week 5 of the Lemon Blossom Sew Along, and if you're making the standard version, we need to trim these concentric circle blocks. First thing you're going to do is lay your ruler on top of your block and find the 4 1/4 and 1 1/4 inch marks on your ruler. The large curve seam line should hit these 2 points. You're going to do the same thing with the small curve. You want the small curve seam line to hit the 4 1/4 and 2 1/4 inch marks on your ruler. And you're going to make sure that the seam line hits that point on both sides. And just for reference, these noodles should be 2 inches in width. Now these points might not line up perfectly, especially if you aren't comfortable with sewing an accurate 1/4 inch seam allowance, but that's okay. We'll make it fit when it comes time to sew them together. Then you're going to trim the top and right side of your block and flip under the ruler. Once you do that, you're going to line up your cut edge with the 4 1/2 inch lines. And once again, you're going to line up your large curved seam line with the 4 1/4 and 1/4 inch lines on your ruler, and the small curved seam line with the 2 1/4 and this time 1/4 inch seam line on your ruler. These noodles, for reference again, are 2 inches. And then you're going to trim the right and top side of your block to make a perfect 4 1/2 inch concentric circle block. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.